This is piano tutorial for Singin' in the Rain. And I'll show you the melody first. You start with your thumb on a D, fifth finger, so it's thumb, fifth finger. And lift your thumb up again. One again. Three. Thumb under with your A. Finger on that B. 1, 5. 3, 2, 1. 1, 5. 3, 1. 1, 5. 1, 2. Third finger. 1, 2. Under with your thumb. Excuse me. 1, 2, 1. So there's your melody. And oddly enough, this chord is basically two chords, G and D7. It does have this odd chord that goes in between them, but it's really easy, the chords. So you start on G chord, G, G, B. G sharp diminished chord, which is D, F, G sharp, B. There's a D7 chord, D, F sharp, A, and C. That's the diminished chord to D7, D, F sharp, A, and C. Very simple. Not a bad song for a beginner. So just 3 chords in the song, mostly 2, all the way through. So once you've got that, actually it was the chords here. Once you've got the chords down and the melody down, this is what it sounds like when you're all done. that's your Singing in the Rain song.